Hey you guys, welcome to the Millionaire House's 12 Days of Christmas. Come on in. It's day 11 of the 12 Days of Christmas, and today I'm sharing all the details on how I install my outdoor garland. This year I decided to use my 6-foot cascading garland that I got several years ago from Grandid Road. I'm actually using 2 of these for a total of 12 feet that I'm hanging over the front door. When installing outdoor garland, my tip is to try to do as much work as you possibly can on the floor so that your arms aren't raised over your head for entirely too long. As you can see here, I'm using the same Gold Ice Garland that I used on the staircase this year to glam this piece up just a bit. It is very stiff and very hard to work with, but the end result is always beautiful. I really love this garland. I found it at TJ Maxx. And once you're done with all of your fluffing work on the ground, it's time to install your garland. I like to use an outdoor garland hanger like this one from Frontgate. It's basically a tension rod, but it holds the garland very well in place all season long, and it's very easy to install. And now that you know how I make my bows, I'm curious to know if you think I made these bows myself or if they were store-bought. I decided to add the same ivory ribbon that I used in the tree this year, and then just a few ornaments to finish it off. I think I got these 2 Christmas trees the first year we were married, which would make them about 15 years old, but they are truly the gift that keeps on giving, and as long as they light up every year, I am going to keep using them outside. And here's a quick tip I'm not sure if I gave on day 1 when we were decorating the main tree, but one way to extend the lifespan of your Christmas trees is to replace burned out bulbs as soon as possible. It keeps the other lights from having to work as hard to stay bright, and it really does extend the life of your tree. So I do a check at the end of every season and replace the bulbs then, at least on the indoor trees. On the outdoor trees, not so much, but when you plug them in at the beginning of the season, go ahead and change out any burned out lights at that time. And these trees are the perfect height for the twins to decorate, and since my arms were usually so tired at that point, I let them go for it. I sincerely hope you found some value in this video today, and we will see you back here tomorrow for the final day of the 12 Days of Christmas.